وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Hello, how are you today, Thalis? How was your weekend? I'm good, alhamdulillah. Thank you for asking, Rafda. Okay, today, inshallah, we're going to finish the book, inshallah. We're going to take the last thing on the form, meaning, and function. But just before we start, I want you to remind me of something. Did we finish here? Did we finish the present perfect progressive and the perfect simple? Thalith? Did we finish this part? Did we take also the time expression? Can you please remind me? Thalith, did we finish this part? Perfect progressive and the perfect simple with the time expressions?
لا time خلصنا ما أخذنا.
ما هو؟
التايم.
Time expressions, we didn't take it, are you sure? Okay. Right. In the time expression here, okay, it's very simple. Okay, here. In the time expression now, we've taken the perfect progressive and we've taken the perfect simple. Some of the words, if you have seen them in the sentence, you would know that this sentence should be in the present perfect progressive. For example, how long, for, since, all day, all week, all month, all year, all of those words, we can, if you see them in the sentence, you know that the sentence should be in the present perfect progressive. Except for since. Since it could be in both. Since could be in the present perfect simple. Also, it could be in the present perfect progressive. Okay, clear? Are you with me, Thalith? Hello?
Yes.
What about the rest? Are you with me? Okay. The next thing that we have, it's very simple. Right. Then we have on page 93, please pay attention. You have words connected with hobbies and interests, things that you like. We always see those words connected with space, words connected with whatever. Every time I told you, Thalith, every time you see them, you have to what? To just be familiar with them. I don't need you to memorize the words. لا أحتاجك تحفظيها. No, I just need you to know the meaning of them if you see them in a sentence, okay, in the vocabulary. For example, you should know for the meaning of play a team sport. You should know the meaning of bestseller. This book is a bestseller, or a movie. You should know the meaning of a writer. Who's a writer? Someone who writes. You should, for example, know the meaning of knowledge. You see, I just need you to be familiar with the words. I'm not going to tell you to choose between them, no. I just need you to be familiar in order if you see them in a sentence, you would understand them. Okay, clear? Is it clear or not? What about the rest? I see 16 students, only 3 of them are with me. What about the rest? You're just attending the class without answering? Okay. The next thing that we have is this very simple and very easy grammar. It says here that if you see this form that starts with adjective, do you know what is an adjective? What is an adjective, Thalith?
صفر.
Thank you. What about a preposition? In, on, at. Thank you so much, Yaqeen. So it says here that if you see this form, adjective, preposition, you should follow it with a gerund. Do you remember what did we say about the gerund? What is a gerund? What is a gerund? Is it a verb? No. It is what? Do you remember? We've taken many grammars, ya Thalith, with a gerund.
Noun.
Yes, noun with what? How could you not remember? Many grammars, we've taken them with the gerund. So a gerund is what? Is a noun with ing. Okay, so it says here, whenever you have adjective and then preposition, you should follow it with the gerund. For example, here we have, I am not very good at playing sport. You have good is the adjective. You have at the preposition. And then after it, you should have what? The gerund, which is a noun with ing. Sometimes it could be without a gerund, like this example. I am fascinated by, fascinated adjective, by is the preposition, and there is no gerund. Okay, look at number 3. I am interested, which is adjective, in preposition, reading, which is a gerund. Like, in the exam, I'm going to bring the things that should be followed by a gerund. For example, I needed to answer this. And see, what do you think? She is good in translate, translating, translated. What do you think? All of you, I needed to answer. All of you, I need you to answer. What do you think? What about the rest? Only Sarah answered? What, you're just attending the class, listening to me without answering? Yes, Thalith, what do you think? She is good in... Thank you, Ilaf. What about the rest? Good in what? Translate, translating, and translated. Very good, all of you. It is translating. It's very simple and easy grammar. So you most likely, you're going to see it in the exam. So think of it as just an additional question to have good marks. It's very simple. I'm going to give you another example. This is how it's going to be in the exam. For example, here, the space. And A and B and C why is R exploring? What do you think? I am interested in the space. What do you think?
Exploring.
Okay. Thank you, Yaqeen. What about the rest? Jumana, Bara'a, Dina, and Dana, Zainab, Lama, and Lama, Hiba. What do you think? I am interested in the space. Is it explore, explores, or explore? Yes, what did you say? Say it again, please.
C.
Yes, it is C. Thank you so much. Yes, it is C. You have to what? To choose the one with the ing. When you have to choose the one with the ing? Whenever you have adjective and then preposition. Immediately after that, you should have the one with the ing. Thank you, all of you. Is it clear? You think this grammar is simple and easy? Right. If you want to take a screenshot of the questions, please do, because I'm going to erase them. Okay. But by this, we are officially done with the book, alhamdulillah. So let's start now. I will talk about the exam, the final exam. So please, ثالث, all of you, I need you to pay attention. إذا كنتي الآن فقط تستمعين، ركزي الآن معي. You know that your exam is going to be out of what? 20 marks. You will have 20 questions, and those 20 questions are going to be out of 20 marks. يعني كل سؤال سيكون عليه درجة. Okay? طيب, and you know the time is going to be 40 minutes to answer. You will finish يعني earlier than 40 minutes. Questions, inshallah, are going to be very easy. طيب, the sections in the exam, you will have 3 sections. Okay? It's going to be first reading, and then you will have also you will have the grammar, and you will have the vocabulary. طيب, what kind of questions we're going to have? You're going to have in the reading maybe true or false, and also MCQs. Do you know the meaning of MCQ? Do you know the meaning of MCQ? No?
No.
MCQ يعني اختياري. So يا إما true or false and MCQ. The grammar only MCQ. And the vocabulary only MCQ, which means اختياري only. As you notice يا ثالث, لن يكون هناك any essay questions. So you will have no essay questions. Okay. Essay questions ماذا يعني essay questions؟ يعني لن يكون هناك أي سؤال مقالي. سواء بإكمال الفراغ، سواء بكتابة جملة، سواء بأي شيء. لن يكون هناك أي سؤال, as you can see. أي سؤال سؤال مقالي. Okay. طيب, you will have in the reading, you will have 6 questions, 7 questions in the grammar, and 7 questions in the vocabulary. Okay. Do you think this one is simple? There is no writing, nothing. Only reading, grammar, and vocabulary. Is it clear? Thanks. You have to answer. You have to be with me. Can you see that no one is answering in the chat? No one is talking. No one is turning on their mic. I need to see if you are with me, or you understand, or you have a question. Okay, so we are clear that it's 20 questions with 20 marks with only 40 minutes. And you have only what? يعني الأسئلة ستكون صح وخطأ واختياري باختصار يعني. Okay? It's going to be very clear, very simple. Don't worry about anything. I just need you ثالث while we have the revision inshallah. You have to stop me. يعني لو كان في grammar أنا الآن كنت أشرح. طيب وأنت لم تفهمي. لا تنتظري لحظة الاختبار. يعني أنت كما ترين كتابك يحتوي على 6 units 6 وحدات. Okay, they are easy, simple, yes, but كثيرة تعتبر. So you need to pay attention while we have the revision. So when you study later on, it would be easy for you. يعني لما تذاكري للاختبار سيكون كأنه مراجعة لك. لا يوجد شيء مضطرة إنك تفهمينه مرة أخرى ومضطرة تبحثين عنه. Okay. طيب, if you want to take a screenshot for this, you can. طيب. The last thing is that thank you so much for very fun and amazing classes with you. I really like whenever we have discussions. I really like when you have questions. Also, you turn on your mics very more than other classes. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the classes.